Money Man, also known as Born Trending, is an American rapper, singer, and songwriter. He was born on February 27, 1986 in New York City and raised in Decatur, Georgia. Money Man first gained attention in 2016 with the release of his mixtape, Black Circle, which featured the popular track Boss Up. Since then, he has released numerous projects, including Black Circle 2, Harvest Season, and Epidemic. He is known for his distinct, melodic flow and introspective lyrics about his experiences growing up and navigating the music industry. Money Man has collaborated with several notable artists, including Lil Baby, DaBaby, and Young Thug. He has also been signed to several record labels throughout his career, including Cash Money Records and Empire Distribution. In addition to his music career, Money Man is also known for his savvy business acumen. He has been open about his investments in real estate and cryptocurrency, and he frequently shares financial advice with his fans on social media. Money Man is known for sharing financial advice with his fans on social media and in his music. While he doesn't necessarily offer step-by-step instructions on how to make money, he often emphasizes the importance of investing in assets that appreciate in value, such as real estate and cryptocurrency. In interviews and on social media, Money Man has shared some of his own personal strategies for building wealth. For example, he has talked about the importance of living below your means, saving money, and investing in long-term assets that have the potential to generate passive income. He has also shared insights into the business side of the music industry, encouraging aspiring artists to focus on building their own brands and leveraging social media to reach new audiences. Money Man has talked about the concept of flipping money in several of his interviews and social media posts. While he hasn't provided a specific blueprint for flipping $100,000 to make $300,000, he has offered some general insights into the process. One of Money Man's main strategies for making money is investing in real estate. He has talked about the importance of finding undervalued properties and making strategic renovations or improvements in order to increase their value. This can allow investors to flip the property for a profit. Another strategy Money Man has discussed is investing in cryptocurrency. He has been an early adopter of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and has been vocal about his belief in their long-term potential. Investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, but if done correctly, it can yield substantial returns over time. In addition to these specific strategies, Money Man has emphasized the importance of having a long-term mindset when it comes to investing. He encourages people to think about their investments as assets that will appreciate in value over time, rather than as short-term opportunities to make a quick profit. Overall, Money Man's approach to flipping money involves strategic investments in assets that have the potential to generate long-term returns. While there is no guaranteed formula for turning $100,000 into $300,000, following Money Man's advice on financial discipline, strategic investments, and long-term thinking can help investors increase their chances of success. In addition to these strategies, Money Man has also talked about the importance of using credit effectively to build wealth. He has shared insights into how to use credit cards and loans to invest in income-generating assets such as real estate or a small business. One of the key strategies that Money Man has talked about is leveraging credit cards to earn cashback rewards or travel points. By using credit cards for everyday purchases and paying off the balance in full each month, it's possible to accumulate rewards that can be redeemed for cash or travel. Money Man has also discussed how to use loans to invest in assets that have the potential to generate passive income over time. For example, taking out a loan to purchase a rental property can generate rental income that exceeds the cost of the loan payments. Similarly, taking out a loan to start a business can generate profits that exceed the cost of the loan. Flipping $100,000 to make $300,000 is a complex and risky process that requires a lot of skill and expertise. While there is no guaranteed formula for success, here are some general strategies that could be used. 1. Real estate flipping. Investing in real estate, finding undervalued properties, making strategic renovations, and selling the property for a profit can yield significant returns. However, real estate flipping requires a deep understanding of the market and construction, as well as the ability to identify undervalued properties and make profitable renovations. 2. Cryptocurrency trading. Investing in cryptocurrency, buying at a low price, and selling at a higher price can also be a profitable strategy. However, investing in cryptocurrency is highly volatile and requires a deep understanding of the market, as well as the ability to analyze trends and news affecting the market. 3. Investing in stocks and mutual funds. Investing in stocks and mutual funds can also be a profitable strategy, but it requires a deep understanding of the stock market and the ability to identify undervalued companies or sectors. Regardless of the strategy, flipping $100,000 to make $300,000 requires a high level of risk tolerance, financial discipline, and expertise. It is important to do thorough research, seek advice from financial experts, and carefully weigh the potential risks and rewards before making any investment decisions.